Hey guys, Rasheed Phillips here, and welcome to Smoke Sessions. I've teamed up once again with the great people over at the Home Depot, Masterbuilt in Kingsford to bring you amazing grilling techniques to help you master your flavor. Today, we're focusing on smoking. Smoking is actually cooking over indirect heat over a long period of time at low temperatures. Today's cook actually involves a pork butt. So we're going to apply a great binder, add our pork seasoning, getting onto our grill, and slow cook it for about 6 to 8 hours until it's pull-apart tender. I've loaded up my grill with Kingsford charcoal, and I'm setting my temperature to 275 degrees, and this should take just about 10 minutes. Let's prepare our pork butt. We're going to start with a general coating of our ground mustard. We're using that as a binder. Then we're going to evenly coat our pork butt with our favorite seasoning. Keep in mind though, that pork is naturally salty, so you're going to want to have that in the back of your head as you're creating your seasoning. We're going to smoke our pork butt for roughly 6 to 8 hours today at 275 degrees. We're looking for a desired internal temperature ranging between 195 to 200 degrees. We know it's done when it's pull-apart tender. This turned out amazingly well. With a loaded hopper full of Kingsford charcoal, handled that 8-hour cook easily. Wonderful smoke flavor, evenly cooked, moisture retained, couldn't ask for anything better. Head on over to the Home Depot, grab yourself a Gravity Series 1050 and a bag of Kingsford charcoal. I'll see you next time.